Okay, welcome back. Open a new page. I'm gonna continue with tangency problems. I will continue in front, normal 2, sketch, and here I need 2 circles. Dimension 50 and 32. Now let's do 2 more circles here. This 2 is equal, and these 2 points are horizontal. Dimension, smart dimension between these 2 is 575. Okay, and here to this center is 75 divided by 2, it is 37.5, and between the centers here, this distance is given as 45. Diameter of the circle is 25. Now, as you can see, all the colors is black, and you can continue with making a circle here, one more circle here, another circle here, and I have to say these 3 is equal. For do this, select the circles using Control on your keyboard and let's say equal. And we also should say this one is equal with this because all the circles have the same diameter. Now I'm gonna to continue here. This point, control this point is vertical. For adding an angle for between these 2 points, I have to use a center line here. Sketch center line. Look, between this point and this point, and another center line is here, but this one should be horizontal. You may right click on it and make it horizontal. Okay, you have to have this sign. This line too is horizontal. And dimension between these 2 center lines, this angle on the paper is given as 15. And also dimension between the center of this point, not this one, look, this distance is given as 60. So we have this distance as 60. Be careful, between the points is 60. And distance here to here in the same manner is 60. And for putting angle for this, okay, you should again use center line here to here and another center line here. This one should be horizontal, and angle between the center lines, again it is 15. Now I need one more dimension between these 2 circles, center of the circles as 60. So this one is 60. It is a little bit complicated, but we have to create all these angles. Now it's time to create the arcs we should follow up, continue with 3 points arc. First point, second point, not select the suggested point, second point, third point. Be careful, center is here. First point, again, not selected point, not suggested points, second point, and the third point, center is here. First, second point, and third point, here is the center. First, second, and third point. And I need a line from here to here. Okay, as you can see, this line is black. Now, what is the angles? What is the diameter? All of the diameters is 40. This one is 40, and we can say this one control this, this, and this is equal. But we need more relation. Be careful, this arc externally tangent to this circle, tangent, we have tangency. This one is tangent to this one. Here is tangent to this circle, we have tangency. Circle and arc, tangent. You can see colors is black. This one and this one is tangent. Arc and circle is tangent. Circle and arc similarly is tangent, and this one finally is tangent with this circle. Now you can see we made number 7 on the paper, and here in these types of the problems, color of the lines is important. If for instance you forget to do this tangency, this arc will be below. It means that you need dimension, so it will not be acceptable for us to have blue lines or yellow lines. Okay, now I'm gonna continue with the next one. Open a new page, please. Part. Okay, I'm gonna to continue with front. Sketch circle, make a circle here, another circle in the same center. Diameter, this should be 50, and here must be 32. Okay, nice. Two more circles here. And here, select and control V. Now 25 is, this one is 25, and the small one is 15. Okay, we may say this one control these two. We should wait for some seconds. I don't know what happened. Let's say this one is equal with this, and this one is equal with this. Okay. This point is horizontal with this point. Dimension between the centers, this distance is 40, and this one is 32. It's given on the paper. Now here to here is 60. This height is 60. Here are my dimensions. Now let's continue with the line. We are gonna to create the line. Look here, when I'm gonna to select the line, draw the line as this, it's starting from my tangent point. Okay, you can create this line. It should be vertical, and this line should be tangent to this point. Look, in this case it is tangent because I have the tangency sign here. Okay, and I may say this one and this, let's say fillet, fillet 16, this one and this one. Okay, I have a problem here. Later we will try to solve these problems. Okay, tangents, 3 points arc, first point, second point, third point. Center is here, first point, second point, and third point. Center is here. Okay, dimension, this one is 70, and here is 105. Okay, now this should be tangent, arc and circle should be tangent to each other, and here is tangent for this. Okay, it's black. This one is tangent to this circle, and here is tangent to this circle. Okay, now we only need a fillet here. I'm gonna to show you how it is possible to create this fillet. Make a circle here and put diameter as radius of the fillet is given as 16. That's why the diameter is 32. Okay, now let's say, now I need a circle here tangent to this line and externally tangent to this circle. Look, this one is tangent to this circle, and here is tangent to this line. Now, okay, as you can see here, this circle on a good situation, it is tangent, and now it's time to use trim to delete extra arcane lines. Now this one is number 8 on the paper. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna to stop here, and I will create another video for the next parts. Good luck.